When your Black& Decker charger isn't working properly, systematic troubleshooting can help identify the problem quickly. Let's start with the basic checks. First, check your power outlet to ensure it's working. Test it with another device or plug the charger into a different outlet. Now let's examine the most common indicator of charger problems, the blinking red light. Different blinking patterns tell us different things about what's wrong. A fast blinking red light typically indicates a defective battery. The charger may take up to 30 minutes to determine if the battery is truly defective. A slow blinking red light usually means the battery temperature is outside the safe charging range, either too hot or too cold. If there's no light at all, first ensure the charger is properly plugged in and the outlet is functional. Try unplugging the charger for a few minutes to reset it. Here's what a properly functioning charger looks like. When charging is complete, you'll see a solid green light indicating the battery is fully charged. For temperature-related issues, remove the battery from the charger and let it reach room temperature. Hot batteries should cool for 30 to 60 minutes, while cold batteries need to warm up before charging. If problems persist, try resetting the charger by unplugging it from power for several minutes, then reconnecting. This simple reset can resolve many communication issues between the charger and battery. These diagnostic steps will help you identify most common charger issues. If the problem persists after trying these solutions, the issue may require more advanced troubleshooting or component replacement. When your Black & Decker charger shows a blinking red light, temperature is often the culprit. Here's how to fix temperature-related charging problems. For batteries that are too cold, simply allow them to warm up to room temperature before attempting to charge again. To determine if your battery is defective, try charging a different compatible battery with the same charger. If the new battery charges normally, your original battery needs replacement. Dirty or corroded charging contacts can prevent proper charging. Clean the contacts on both the charger and battery using a dry cloth to remove dirt and corrosion. Sometimes replacement is the best solution. Replace your charger if it consistently overheats or fails to charge properly. Replace batteries that don't hold charge, get excessively hot, or show physical damage. Safety is paramount when working with batteries and chargers. If you're not comfortable working with electronics, always consult a professional technician for repairs or replacements.